Hi guys. My Opel Corsa 1.4i. It's actually the Corsa B. Is giving some idle issues. My suspect is the idle sensor. It's this one here. So all you need is a T20 to remove it. Okay, so we're gonna remove it and we're gonna service the original sensor. First unplug it and unscrew it. Make sure you don't drop the screw because it'll be very hard to get it back. Okay, I removed the screw, take it out. So this looks clean, but it's giving some issues, as you can see in the video. So let's get down to servicing it. Okay, as you can see, this is a sensor on the workbench. So we're going to be removing the tip out by pulling on it. It's a bit hard. So here's a plier. Just don't damage the tip. Grip it on this lip here. As you can see, that's out. So this is the worm gear, and that's the inside. So we're going to be spraying it with carpet cleaner first. It's normal carpet cleaner. There's a lot of dirt in there. Tip is still clean. Let's wipe this down. Now we're going to use a little grease. This is normal general purpose grease. Gonna lube up the shaft, just like that, and a little on the inside. Put the spring back in place. Slot this back in. This is a bit difficult to go through, but it will go through. Let me pause a second and clip it in, and then I'll show you. Okay, I managed to push it in. It's full in. So now we'll plug it in the van, switch it, start the van, and let it come forward, switch it off, and then install it. Let's go to the vehicle. So we're going to be plugging it in without installing it. Just like that. And start it up. As you can see, it came forward. So let's install it. Okay, I installed a sensor. Let's try starting it. Rev is absolutely stable, so our problem is solved just with a stupid idle sensor. Something so small will make your vehicle crazy. So guys, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.